Please stop this echo. I'm at the Prime Center in Cesena, a multifunctional center dedicated to prevention and integrative medicine. This center provides support for people undergoing cancer therapy and also for those who have recovered. We've been called in for an acoustic intervention. Everything is new and will be fully operational in about a month. I'm heading downstairs to a room with serious acoustic issues and here beyond this door. This is the multi-purpose room we need to acoustically correct. We also need to install a stereo system. This room measures 22 by 20 feet and there's a simulated echo time of about 6 seconds. Yes, you heard correctly, 6 seconds. With this microphone system, using lavaliers, this effect tends to decrease. So what you're hearing in the video is actually a slightly better situation than reality, which is really bad. Having a normal conversation in this environment is not advisable because it's incredibly difficult to articulate. Because hearing your own voice delayed like this really complicates the discussion. Because as I'm speaking, I'm thinking about what to say next, but I hear my own voice echoing, so I continually hear myself. I already struggle to bear with myself. Hearing myself even more makes it worse. I'll explain everything in a different environment since it's really hard to talk and for you to hear me here. Numerous activities will take place in the multi-purpose room. Psychology with relaxation techniques, therapeutic art through drawing, storytelling and help in managing emotions. Yoga and mindfulness for mental and physical well-being. Transitioning from Romagnolo to all these S's isn't easy. Last but certainly not least, music therapy. A workshop where sounds and music geared towards mental and physical well-being can be listened to. We're proud to be a partner in this project. It's an honor because through this experience, in addition to developing us as individuals, we're focusing on activities geared towards wellness. Typically, when we discuss wellness, acoustic wellness, which is our mission, we often refer to everything related to entertainment, such as home theater and music in general. Here, acoustic wellness is focused on psychophysical wellness. It's connected to medicine. It aids in healing. That multi-purpose room will encompass our two main sectors: the audio with the loudspeakers and the acoustics, the sound-absorbing panels. Working with the architect, we'll explore the finishes and shapes of the sound-absorbing panels and the types of speakers. And in the next video, we'll reveal all the solutions. Thank you. See you soon.